Hello, I'm Lelda Smits for the Finance News Network, and joining me from Flinders Mines is its Managing Director, Ian Gordon. Ian, welcome back to FNN.
Thank you.
Now, you've just increased the resource estimate at your Pilbara Iron Ore Project to more than 1 billion tonnes. What is the size of the indicated and also the measured category?
Okay, we've estimated a total of 870 million tonnes in the measured and indicated categories, and this is the material that will be considered in the bankable feasibility study over the next 6 months.
Right, and what are the average grades?
So the average grade of the resource is about 56% iron, but we're only looking at material that grades above 58.5% in the mine plan.
Okay, and what's the geography of the deposits?
So the deposits are located approximately 80 kilometres northwest of Tom Price, and they sit adjacent to each other within the valleys of the Hamersley Ranges. The majority of the valleys are flat, so mining should be pretty straightforward, and we expect to have a low overall strip ratio.
So Ian, what does the increased resource mean for the life of the project?
Well, we're yet to do the mine planning work to determine how many tonnes will be in the mine plan, but we expect the increase in the resource will translate to additional tonnes available for mining.
Now, there's a lot of iron ore on the market at the moment. What sort of agreements do you have in place with potential buyers?
We've signed 10 MOUs with Chinese steel mills, and these now need to be converted to offtake agreements. And once we've finalised our product specs, we can pursue these offtake agreements with these mills. In regard to the overall market, obviously there seems to be a bit of a supply imbalance at this point. However, we expect that once we come into production in 2018, that should have levelled itself out. Our discussions with the Chinese steel mills tell us that they still want to diversify their supply rather than rely on the big miners.
So Ian, how are you managing infrastructure and financing options for the Pilbara Iron Ore Project?
Okay, Flinders has got an agreement with the Balla joint venture to provide port and rail services to the project for a fee. The Balla JV are currently also doing a feasibility study on rail and port, and that'll be delivered at the same time as our mining feasibility study. And once that's done, both parties can make a final investment decision and then start to look to finance the project.
Okay, and finally, Ian, what are some of the key milestones investors should be keeping an eye out for as the project's development advances over the next 12 to 24 months?
Okay, I think the most important thing will be the delivery of a mining reserve as part of the feasibility study in June 2015. And once we've got that, we can make a final investment decision, hopefully in the September quarter. And in the meantime, we hope to be able to deliver further high-grade drilling exploration results.
Great. Well, Ian Gordon, thank you for the update from Flinders Mines.
Thank you.